Now, to recap our marketing and distribution section, I want you to remember these things. Nurture your coalition. Be strategic with the festivals. Look for distributors and aggregators who match your film. Investigate those distributors and aggregators. Consider a non-traditional premiere or screening, and always be ready to capture momentum. That wraps up our series of how to make and sell your film with no money. I want to encourage you, you can do this. It isn't impossible. There's a framework here. Go out and do your homework. Be ready to hustle, and you can do this. Now, there are resources and more information available to download for you. Some of those websites and different publications that I pointed out. Be sure to take a look at those and some tools and templates and worksheets that are there to help you make your film. I'm really proud of you. I'm excited for you for doing this. You don't need anybody's permission. You don't need $1 million. Now you have the tools, and now you can go out and make the film that you've always desired.